Singh. I am a second year student of the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering, enrolled in its dual degree course. I am from New Delhi. I am a boarder of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports and Games, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2014-2015.
Why have you mentioned the name of your hall of residence in your introduction?
Sir, to contest for the post of General Secretary, Sports and Games, I must be a part of the general body, and to be a part of the general body, one must be attached to one of the Hall of Residences. And I am a boarder of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. It is part of my identity. That's why I have mentioned it in my introduction.
You may begin with your SOP, please.
Throughout my 2 years of stay at IIT Kharagpur, I have been actively involved in sports activities, which developed my personality as a sportsman and also as an individual. In my first year, I won 2 silver medals in 100 meters and 110 meter hurdles in the freshers event of athletics. In the freshers event of athletics conducted by Technology Students Gymkhana. I was a member of the gold-winning inter-hall athletics team of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. I won 2 gold medals in 4x100 meters relay, 4x400 meters relay, and 1 silver medal in 400 meters. For the dedication and amount of hard work that I put in, I was awarded the best fresher sportsman of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. In my second year, I represented IIT Kharagpur as a member of its athletics team in the 49th Inter-IIT Sports Meet held at IIT Guwahati. I was the vice captain of the Inter-Hall silver winning athletics team of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. I won a total of 5 medals, which includes 2 gold medals in 4x100 meters relay, 4x400 meters relay, 1 silver medal in 100 meters, and 2 bronze medals in 200 meters and 400 meters. Apart from my achievements in sports activities, I have also excelled in various other fields. I was a gold medalist in the 7th National Cyber Olympiad. I was one of the 3 students all over India who were awarded the prestigious Prime Minister Golden Jubilee Scholarship for consecutive 2 years, 2010 and 2011. This scholarship is awarded for the outstanding performance in both sports and academics. I have been also awarded a Pre-Rajya Puraskar in Bharat Scouts and Guides. I was the member of the guest reception team of the Inter-Hall Gold winning illumination and Rangoli of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. I was also a member of the Inter-Hall Gold winning product design team of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence. My mentioned achievements indicates that I always strive for excellence. If elected as the General Secretary Sports and Games, I will work with utmost dedication and will fulfill my duties to the best of my abilities.
Sumit, you were a part of the Inter-IIT athletics team this time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you must be aware that our contingent went in AC tier this time to the destination. So my question is whether do you want, don't you want the money that was used in the AC tier to be used in the development of the infrastructure instead? Answer mean yes or no.
Sir, every answer cannot be answered in yes or no. Let me complete first. Sir, let me complete first. Sir,
I have a very simple question. I have a very simple question. Would you want that money to be used in the development of infrastructure instead? Yes or no?
Sir, I am also giving you a very simple answer.
Answer mean yes or no.
Sir, please let me complete first.
Yes.
Every answer cannot be answered in yes or no. We reached the destination, the IIT Guwahati, in the third AC. This definitely helps us as the players after reaching were less fatigued and to perform better in the inter-IIT sports meet.
Sumit,
What were the standings this year compared to last?
I have a follow-up on this question.
I had to have a follow-up and so what was our position this year in
So last year in the men's senior championship we stood 6th and this time we stood jointly 3rd with IIT Bombay.
I being the captain of the inter-I team is feeling offended here because you are attributing all the efforts we put in to the AC tier we went in. This is not right.
Sir, I have said that it was one of the important factors. I am not giving the full credential to the third AC train. If you would have listened my answer correctly.
Please listen to my questions clearly. If you want, I can repeat my questions. If you want me to repeat, please, I can repeat my question.
Sir, please repeat your question.
My question remains the same. My question remains the same. Wouldn't it be better instead to put that money in the development of the infrastructure? Because the players are already motivated. Even if we are given different trains, even if we are given any mean of transport, we will be able to perform there.
Sir, this time we traveled in the third AC train and it has helped us to perform better in the inter-IIT sports meet. So it is a part of the infrastructure.
Sumit, don't you think it's important that don't you think it's important that
You might be aware that there are...
excuse me please.
Wait,
Sumit,
let me finish
don't
the
you think it's important that the players reach fresh before the tournament?
Definitely, sir, it will improve our performance in the inter-IIT sports meet.
and other ITs are also
There was a 3-day gap between the tournament when we reached there. Sorry for that.
Just a minute. I'll request all the panelists, please do not make any comments. If you just have to ask a question, they have to answer it. And let the audience judge it. Please, do not make any comment. Request to all the panelists, please.
Sumit, I have a question for you that we went in the AC tier. I am agreeing with your answer. There was a problem regarding the transport of pole vault and javelin because we went in the AC tier. So that was not handled properly this year and we had an issue regarding it. So did you take any initiative as part of the athletics team for that?
Yes, sir. I talked to the concerned PTI, Mr. Pranav Sarkar, regarding this, and our inter-IIT athletics captain, Mr. Rahul Kausal, has also talked to him. And next time, we will be definitely improving this structure for transportation of pole vault and javelins.
You have talked to the PTI. You have talked to the PTI. When have you talked to the PTI? You did not take the initiative when it was required to be taken, right?
Sir, before traveling in the train for the inter-IIT sports meet, it was discussed beforehand that the pole vault and javelin will be traveled into the train.
So why did
Mr. Sumit,
Sir,
Mr. Sumit, you might be aware that there are clashes among teams during inter-all events, and last year there was a case wherein a physical training instructor got hurt. So what will you do in such a situation?
Sir, if elected as the General Secretary Sports and Games, to avoid the chaoses, I will ensure that I will conduct a meeting with all of the hall presidencies, with all of the hall presidents, and a meeting will be conducted.
What will you do during the heat of the...
Complete first.
Okay, please complete.
And a meeting will be conducted, and a strict warning will be given to them that if any of their players and cheering crowd found indulging in any of the activities which are not related or indisciplinary activities, a strict strict action will be taken against them.
I'm asking, what will you do during the heat of the moment? I'm asking, what will you do during the heat of the moment?
Sir, I will contact the concerned referees and the PTI present there that what actually happened.
Okay, just tell me.
Sumit, are you aware of any chaos that happened in this year's Inter-IT Athletics high jump? Are you aware of any chaos that happened in Inter-IT Athletics high jump?
Sir, there was no such chaos in Inter-IT high jump.
I'm sorry to say that you should get your facts straight, but there was a chaos regarding high jump. We had a player who could bag silver medal and he did not participate. Even the captain had urged him to participate, but he did not participate.
Will you consider it as a chaos, Sumit?
Sir, definitely not. It is a chaos. Before going to the Inter-IT sports meet, the team was decided and which player is going to participate in a particular event, it was decided beforehand.
As far as I know, that player was from football. Was your decision to? So I want to clarify here that that player was from football team and he was not 100%.
But that player did play the football match that day itself.
Mr. Sumit Singh, I have a question. You are always saying that you have given your best, you have given your excellence. But I have a one question, where is the gold for IIT KGP? If you are giving your best, your excellence, that means your excellence is confined up to bronze and silver only. Can you tell me one game where we are winning the gold medal?
Ma'am, I have won a total of 10 medals during my 2 years of stay at IIT Kharagpur.
Sorry, I'm not asking about you.
Ma'am,
You
please let
first
me
listen
complete
the
first.
question
Please
first.
let me complete first. I have won a total of 10 medals throughout my 2 years of stay at IIT Kharagpur, which shows my dedication and determination.
I'm not saying anything about your dedication. I'm saying where is the gold for IIT KGP in Inter-IIT? I'm not asking about only one person who is winning gold regularly in silver and bronze.
Ma'am, there is always a scope for improvement, and if elected as the General Secretary Sports and Games, I will ensure that the proper practice of Inter-IIT is going on, and next time we clinch gold at the 50th Inter-IIT Sports Meet, going to be held at IIT Bombay.
Sumit, I have a question for you.
You showed that your individual performance are very good, but why don't you take a manageable post like General Secretary Sports and Games in your Hall of Residence? Why so?
Sir, to answer for the managerial post, currently I am the vice captain of the Inter-All Silver winning athletics team.
I'm asking about
Let me
General
complete
Secretary.
first. Currently I am the vice captain of the Inter-All Silver winning athletics team of Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence, and also I have won a total of 10 medals during my 2 years of stay at IIT Kharagpur. So I believe that under this consideration, I am well aware of the requirements of the sporting community and I can effectively contribute for the betterment of the sporting culture of our institute.
Sumit, thank you very much. Sumit, thank you very much. Thank you, Sumit. Abud, time is up. Time is up. Sumit, thank you very much.
I have 3 proposals. My first proposal is regarding the creation of an information dissemination system for sports and games. Online sports equipment purchase portal for students. Online feedback portal regarding sports and games. Proposal number 2. To increase the functional timings of different courts in Gymkhana. Proposal number 3. Availability of dietitian and a permanent orthopedic doctor. I want to discuss my first proposal. Creation of an online dissemination system for sports and games. I propose to introduce an online portal which will focus on making radical changes in important aspects. The online portal will highlight the following features. The semi-final and final matches of all sports in general championship will be recorded and uploaded on the portal. Same will be done for the prominent inter-IT practice matches. After the conduction of the final matches of inter-hall sports, there will be an in-depth report on the portal in collaboration with the Scholars Avenue and Awaaz. There will be extensive coverage of the inter-IT sports meet as well via this portal, similar to the IIT Bombay BBC. 2 newsletters specifically for sports and games, one before the inter-IT and one after the inter-IT, will be published in collaboration with the Scholars Avenue and Awaaz. Part 2. Online sports equipment purchase portal for students. IIT Kharagpur has a locational disadvantage in terms of buying equipment on a large scale. Through this portal, any student can enlist the sports equipment required by them and deposit advance money. After 15 days, the whole inventory will be purchased and distributed to the students. This ensures that students are able to obtain sports equipment at a low price. Part number 3, online feedback portal regarding sports and games. This feedback portal will only be visible using the proxy server of IIT Kharagpur. Anyone can log in with their institute email ID and can register a problem there. The general secretaries and the secretaries of the concerned game of sports have to reply back within 7 days that what steps they have taken to solve that problem.
Just tell me, what is the advantage of adding Gymkhana awards online? List of Gymkhana awards of respective year.
Sir, if the Gymkhana awards are available online, after the passing out of the players, everybody will be knowing what are the achievements of the players who have graduated.
Yeah, Sumit, I have a question for your proposal. Pretty awesome. So one proposal, I need to discuss about your third proposal, the orthopedic doctor.
Sir, currently I am discussing about my first proposal.
No, you.
Sir, if the discussion, sir,
Just a minute. It's up to the candidate's wish which proposal he wants to discuss.
I know,
If he's saying
Apur.
one, so let him say. Which proposal you want to discuss?
sir, currently I am discussing proposal 1.
Okay.
You can ask question related to that one.
For your information, your third proposal is not possible to be implemented.
I have a question regarding the first proposal
Sir,
itself.
let me answer that question. If elected as the General Secretary Sports and Games, I will do best of my abilities to implement that proposal.
Have you talked to an ex-general secretary who has tried to implement this proposal?
Just a minute. I'm saying just if he's saying that we will discuss only first proposal, let's ask question related to that only. Let's not comment related to other proposals, please.
Okay.
Okay, I have a question regarding the first proposal itself. You are planning on some online sports equipment portal, right? For donating money and something. So suppose,
Sir, it is not regarding to donating money.
means I can
request
deposit
you-
money also, na?
Sir, I request you to read it properly
It
and
is written.
then ask a question.
Yeah, I have read it and then only I'm asking. It is clearly written that we can deposit advance money. Don't try to act smart here. It is clearly written here.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
students have to deposit the advance money.
Now you are agreeing with me, na? Now I'll ask my question. So the thing is, suppose I am an alumni of some such sport, okay, and I want to give some money to IIT Kharagpur via this portal. Is it possible, and what is the procedure?
Sir, if you would have read my proposal correctly, this proposal is not regarding the donation of the money. It is regarding the online equipment purchase.
Yes. So if I want to provide money for the online equipment purchase, there is no procedure for that, right?
Sir, the students will list their requirements of the purchase.
Yes.
And after that, the whole inventory will be purchased. There is no issue of any money donation here.
But if I want to provide you the advance money that you've written, but I'm an alumni, is there any procedure and what is the procedure? You can answer no also.
Okay, Sumit, just tell me
Sir,
that.
there is no such procedure to directly. Sir, there is no such procedure to directly. There is no such. Sir, there is no such procedure to directly donate. If some alumni wants to donate, he have to contact via the alumni page.
Thank you. That, you could have answered that before also. Thank you.
Was it related to your proposal, that question?
Definitely not, sir.
What is your proposal? Just elaborate to him again.
Sir, my proposal, sir, I am repeating him again, third time. Online sports equipment purchase portal for students.
I have a question, Sumit. It's like you're saying that is online sports equipment purchase portal. But do you know most of the students in IIT KGP, they are not even aware about that there is an online portal for sports. So where is the basic awareness? We don't have the basic awareness and we are flying on the sky.
Ma'am, currently I have made that website. If you want, you can access it at 10.102.71.12.
How people will know that you have made a website? You have to send this information to all first, right?
Sir, if elected the General Secretary Sports and Games, I will make sure that each and every student is knowing about the website.
Can you circulate the notice in all of the hall of residences regarding that website?
Definitely, sir. And sir, if elected as the General Secretary Sports and Games, I will ask the Vice President to drop a mail to all of the students regarding this proposal. Thank you.
Sumit, this proposal 1 part 3 online feedback portal regarding sports and games. This would be checked by general secretaries, right?
Ma'am, it will be checked by the General Secretaries and the concerned Secretary of the respective games.
But if I have the problem with the general secretaries, as personally I face the problem, being a PG student, there has been no communication to my hall regarding the events being held. I have been running after them, sending them Facebook friend request, asking them arrange a coach for us. When they
I'll request the panelists, please do not comment on the current office bearers, please.
So, would you tell me, it's like, other than general secretaries, what efforts could be done for this?
Ma'am, could you repeat your question?
If I have the problem with the general secretaries, if they are not willing to or listening to my problem, then who would solve this online feedback? If I have the problem with general secretaries of a particular game.
Ma'am, the concerned Secretary of that game will be responsible to reply back within 7 days. It will be responsibility of him or her to reply back within 7 days.
And who is the higher authority?
Okay, Sumit, just tell me.
It will be General Secretaries.
Sumit,
Both
just
the
tell
General
me
Secretaries will also be responsible.
that this feedback portal is regarding the sports and games or the personal issues with General Secretary or secretaries?
Sir, this portal will be regarding the issues of sports and games.
Sumit, I have a question for you regarding that proposal only. As Abhishek mentioned about the deposit of money, you said there is no such provision for alumni to deposit the money. Are you even aware that a proposal of last year's candidate was implemented this year by the alumni cell regarding the caution money being transferred into the sports and games benefit? Are you even aware of that?
Sir, could you repeat your question?
What I'm saying is, the deposit of money, as Abhishek mentioned, you said there is no such provision for the alumni or the passing out seniors to donate the money toward the...
Have you said that?
If you would have listened my answer correctly, I have said that the alumni can donate via the alumni cell.
You said by the alumni, you did not elaborate on the entire procedure.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Please.